Apple is about to flip the smartphone game again. In just a few days, 4 brand new iPhones are hitting the stage, and this time the lineup feels different. Not just an upgrade here or there, but a real shake-up. One that includes the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever made, a redesigned Pro Max that looks unlike anything we've seen before, and a base model that finally catches up with features fans have been begging for. And yes, we've even seen leaks straight off the factory floor. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're as excited as I am, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss a single update. Let's start with the regular iPhone 17. For years, this has been the safe iPhone, the one that doesn't always get the spotlight. But this time, Apple is giving it some serious love. For the very first time, the base model is getting a 120Hz promotion display, smooth scrolling, sharper animations, and gameplay that feels silky at up to 120 frames per second. The bezels are slimmer, the size is nudging up to 6.3 inches, and the front camera is finally making the leap from 12 megapixels to 24. That means selfies and FaceTime calls are about to look cleaner, sharper, and way better in low light. Add in 12 GB of RAM across the board, a new charging speed that almost doubles with MagSafe hitting 4.5W. And suddenly, the entry-level iPhone doesn't feel so entry-level anymore. But here's the curveball, the iPhone 17 Air. Apple tried a mini, they tried a Plus. But now, they're introducing something fresh, the slimmest iPhone ever made, just 5.4 millimeters thin. That's thinner than most people thought possible. It's rocking a single 40MP rear camera, a compact 800 mAh battery, and yet, somehow, it still gives you a giant 6.6-inch display with ProMotion and that new 24MP selfie cam. The real magic is inside. Apple's A19 chip and C1 modem are working together to save space and power while keeping performance top tier. And here's a twist. While the Pro models may ditch titanium this year, the Air could be the one iPhone that keeps it. Imagine that, the lightest, thinnest iPhone ever, but still armored with titanium. Then we move to the powerhouses, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. These two are where Apple goes all out. The design alone is a statement. A horizontal camera island stretched nearly edge to edge with rearranged sensors that give the whole back a bold, futuristic look. But it's not just about style. The telephoto lens is getting a monster upgrade to 48 megapixels with a periscope system, giving you 10x optical zoom that rivals dedicated cameras. Night shots, sharper than ever. Video, we're talking 8K recording for the first time ever on an iPhone, opening up cinematic level possibilities for creators. And that's just the start. The Pro Max is rumored to feature advanced cooling with a vapor chamber to keep performance stable even during AI, heavy tasks, or marathon gaming sessions. Combine that with the A19 Pro chip and Apple's own Wi-Fi 7, and you're looking at one of the fastest, most stable iPhones ever built. The display, tougher, brighter outdoors thanks to an anti-reflective coating and more scratch-resistant than before. And battery life might finally silence the critics. The Pro Max is said to pack a 5,000 mAh cell, the biggest in iPhone history. If true, this could be the iPhone that finally lasts all day, and then some, no matter how hard you push it. Now here's where things get really wild. For the first time ever, a factory floor video leak shows what looks like the iPhone 17 Pro Max in production. Apple almost never slips up like this, which makes the footage even more jaw-dropping. The horizontal island? Check. The new arrangement of sensors? Check. Even early colors like black, gray, and white are visible. Sure, there's always the chance it's a prototype, but if this really is the retail model, then we're looking at one of the clearest leaks Apple has ever faced. So here's the big picture. You've got the iPhone 17 stepping up with long-awaited features, the iPhone 17 Air rewriting the rules of slim design, and the Pro models pushing photography, video, and performance to whole new levels. Apple isn't just refreshing its lineup this year, they're widening it, making sure there's a phone for every type of user. And with the launch set for September 9th, it's only a matter of days before we see which of these leaks were dead on and what surprises Apple still has hidden. And here's the best part. Whether you're after the sleekest design, the most balanced all-rounder, or a powerhouse built for creators and pros, this lineup feels like Apple is finally giving everyone a reason to be excited. So what do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Air too thin to be practical, or is it Apple's smartest move in years? And are you sold on the new Pro Max design or still waiting to see what else Apple has tucked away for launch day? Drop your thoughts below. I'll be going through all your comments. Thanks for watching. James here, and I'll catch you in the next one.